Namaskar. Today we will discuss two issues that if annual increment falls during joining time or if there is a medical emergency you have to take earned leave, commuted leave etc. during joining time. How to deal these issues? I request the new viewers to please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So first one, if annual increment falls during joining time, that is rule 7 of the CCS joining time rules, a government servant on joining time shall be regarded as on duty during that period. So if it is on duty, then increment will fall and work as it is as in normal procedure. Since joining time is treated as duty, annual increment falls during this period, the increment will be granted on the due date. The revised pay will be applicable from the increment date even if the officer has not yet joined the new post. Example, Mr. X is transferred from Lucknow to Hyderabad, relieves on 28 June, joining time 29 June to 12 July. His increment date is 1st July. He will get the increment on 1st July and his joining time pay from 1st to 12 July will be based on incremented salary. So at the new place of posting he will get the salary as per the revised increment salary. So second issue is if health deteriorates during joining time, how to deal with the leave and what will happen to the joining time. So there is no explicit rules in joining time rule about medical issues, but the scenario will be treated as the CCS leave rules. Joining time cannot be extended automatically. If an officer falls ill during joining time, she must inform the controlling office and provide a medical certificate. The period beyond admissible joining time, that is beyond 15 days due to illness, is not treated as extended joining time. So how it will be treated? The excess period is to be regularized as leave. Earned leave if available, HPL or extraordinary leave if no leave is available. Example, Mr. Y was granted 10 days joining time but she falls ill and joins after 16 days. Extra 6 days must be covered by the medical certificate and debited as leave. Example, 6 days EL or HPL. Summary of the issues. Increment falls during joining time, granted on date, JT pay from that day will reflect revised pay. Officer falls sick during joining time not extended, excess days treated as leave based on medical certificate. Does not inform, submit certificate.